Hello children, good morning. How are you? Are you happy? Yes, we have started our online classes and you people are joining also. No, you are enjoying online classes? Yes, but few are joining the classes. I am requesting all the parents, please see the message and find the link and join online classes for your child. Okay? Okay, children. So we have finished our English book, the first book, that is The Stepping Stone in English. So today we are going to revise from the beginning. So children, take out your Stepping Stone in English book. So children, we will start from the vowels. Page 3, 4 and 5. See? 3, then page 4 and 5. Page 4 and 5, you have to practice yourself because these are the words. Start with alphabets. So, we are not going to revise this. We are going to revise from the vowels. Okay? So, turn page 6. See here. It is given vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. So, we will start vowels. Okay. So, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. So, what are they? They are A, E, I, O, U. And consonants? How many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. So, see, apart from the vowels, there are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. So, today we are going to revise the sound of vowels. Sound of vowels. First sound is, what is the first vowel is A. So, we will start from A. See page 7. Here it is given sound of A. Sound of A. A makes two type of sounds. One is A and one is A. Okay. So, see here. The words we are not going to read. Only the how to pronounce the words that we will revise. See here. This is a bat. So, A-T, at, B-A-T, bat, A-B-A-T, a bat. Then, cat, A-T, at, C-A-T, cat, A-C-A-T, a cat. Then, hat, A-T, at, H-A-T, hat, A-H-A-T, a hat. Then, mat, A-T, at, M-A-T, mat, A-M-A-T, a mat. Okay. Then see here. This is a can. So, A-N-N, C-A-N, can, A-C-A-N, a can. Then, fan, A-N-N, F-A-N, fan, A-F-A-N, a fan. Then, A-N-N, P-A-N, pan, A-P-A-N, a pan. Then, A-N-N, M-A-N, man, A-M-A-N, A-M-A-N, a man. Okay. So, like this, you have to do reading practice and after that, you have to write in your English notebook. So, now turn page 9. Page 9, here it is sentences using vowel A. So, see from the beginning, we have to read directly the sentence. Okay, here you are not going to read with the spelling. Direct we have to read. Okay, so see, the man is fat. He sat on the mat. The man had a pan. He ran to the tap with the pen. So, this story you have already learned. So only we are going to read this. Okay. Then see the next part. The cat and the rat. Chatting of the cat and the rat. See. The cat met a rat. They sat on a mat. They had a chat. Okay. So you have to do reading practice as well as writing practice. Okay. Then turn page 11. Here it is given sound of E. Okay. So we are going to read the words only. Okay. So this is an, hen, a hen. Then an, pen, a pen. An, den, a den. Then egg, peg, a peg. Okay. Then come here. See. At, net, a net. At, pet, a pet. Add, bed, a bed. As, leg, a leg. Okay. Like this you have to read these words. Then turn page 13 and here we will see the sentences using vowel E. Okay. Now see the sentences. We have to read. Ben loves his pet. Ben has a hen. The hen is red. It lays an egg in the net. Ben sold it for a yen. Okay. This is about Ben and his hen. Then Ben and his red pens. Ben's red pens. See, Ben has 10 pens. The pens are red. Ben has a set of red pens. So, these are the sentences using vowel E. Okay. Now, turn page 15. See here the sound of I. The sound of I. So, we are going to read the words only. See here. In, bin, a bin. In, pin, a pin. It, kit, a kit. Ib, bib, a bib. Ip, jeep, a jeep. Leap, Eep, leap, a leap. Then eat, lead, a lead. Eat, kid, a kid. ऐसे आपको ये वर्ड्स पढ़ना है. ठीक है. Then turn page 17. Page 17. What is here? The sentences using vowel I. Okay. So we are going to read the sentences now. See here. Peep has a wig. The wig is big. He sits with a wig to dig a fig. Then the pin is in the bin. The bin is in the pit. Then see the next. Peep has a sip. He gives a tip and licks his lips. Okay. These are the sentences using vowel I. So children, for today this much only. You have to revise from vowel A to vowel I. Sound of vowel A to sound of vowel I. It will be too long for you. Though it will be, ये ज़्यादा होने से भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है और लिखना है. ठीक है. आपको पहले से साउंड ऑफ ए से साउंड ऑफ आई तक जितने भी सेंटेंसेस हैं उसको लिखना है और वर्ड्स भी लिखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, यू हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट पेज 9. पेज 9 फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस. Then turn page 11. Sorry, not 11, that is page 13. See here, sound of E. Sentences with sound of E. You have to write from the beginning here to here. Next page, you have to write these sentences, sound of E. Sentences with sound of E. Then next, turn page 17. Sentences using sound of I. Okay. From the beginning to here you have to write in your notebook. 3 pages you have to write. The sentences you have to write. Okay. And when the online class will be there for English, I will check your notebooks. There you have to sit with your notebook. Okay. Stay safe. Thank you very much.